Hello everyone, I am Neha and you're watching Mustard Temper Dreams. Since Valentine's Day is just round the corner, what better way to show love to the special people in your life than by cooking them a scrumptious meal? So the dish we are cooking today is perfect for that romantic candlelight dinner or even for a fun family night. An ooey gooey cheesy vegetable lasagna. Now this lasagna requires quite a few ingredients and you will find all of them listed in the description below. So let's get cooking.
We'll start by adding 4 tablespoons of olive oil into the pan. When the oil heats up, we will add 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic. We'll saute the garlic for a few seconds, and as it starts becoming fragrant, we'll add 1 onion that's finely chopped. To this, we'll add about half a teaspoon of salt and let the onions cook till they become translucent. Next, we'll add a chopped sweet pepper. Here I'm using a yellow pepper, but you can also use a red or an orange pepper. After sauteing the peppers for about a few seconds, we'll add 1 cup of broccoli florets. As the broccoli starts changing color and becomes dark green, we will add 1 zucchini that's chopped. We'll give this a quick mix and then add 1 cup of chopped mushrooms. Now it's time to add some seasoning. Let's start by sprinkling some salt and pepper on top. Next, we are going to add half a teaspoon of Italian seasoning and some chili flakes. I'm going to add a little extra because I prefer some heat in my sauce. We'll mix in the seasoning nicely into the vegetables. Next, I'm adding a can of San Marzano tomatoes that I have pureed, but feel free to add any tomato puree of your choice. We're going to mix this beautiful tomato puree into the vegetables and let all of this cook till it comes to a simmer. And there, our beautiful sauce for the lasagna is ready.
Now that our sauce is ready, let's get to layering the lasagna.
But first, let's prepare the ricotta cheese and spinach mixture. Here I've taken a bunch of spinach that I've blanched and chopped up roughly. To this, I'm going to add about 4 tablespoons of ricotta cheese. We will mix them together thoroughly so that they are completely incorporated. Now let's start the layering. Here I've taken a 9-inch square baking pan that I'm going to thoroughly grease. I'm going to make sure that the pan is properly greased. Now the first or the base layer of the lasagna is going to be our sauce. I'm going to generously spread the sauce on the bottom of the pan so that the base is completely covered. On top of the sauce, I'm going to place the oven-ready lasagna sheets, and this is going to be our second layer. The third layer is going to be the spinach and the ricotta cheese mixture. Spread it gently so that you don't disturb the lasagna sheets too much. Perfect. Now for our fourth layer, we'll place another batch of lasagna sheets on top. Now the sauce is making a comeback for layer 5. On top of this, we are going to spread a generous layer of shredded mozzarella cheese. Another batch of lasagna sheets for layer 7. We'll top this with the remaining sauce for layer 8. And finally, for the top layer, we'll spread another generous amount of mozzarella cheese. We'll now loosely cover the pan with a foil, making sure that the top of the lasagna is not touching the foil. We're going to bake this lasagna in the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 45 to 50 minutes. Ooh, look at how beautiful this lasagna looks. We baked it with the foil on for about 30 minutes and then with the foil off for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now let's find out how this lasagna looks on the inside. Wow, just look at those gorgeous layers.
And now it's time to taste. But today we have someone very special who's going to come and do the tasting. The guy behind the camera. My Valentine, my husband, Himanshu. Come on in.
Hi.
Say hi to them.
Oh, hello everyone. I'm really excited to taste this.
Alright, go for it. Do you like it? What? Do you like it?
I love you.
Hello, where do you think you're going? I'm going to run after him and try to get myself at least some of that lasagna. Till then, why don't you give this recipe a try and let me know how it turns out in the comments below. And don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to Mustard Tempered Dreams. See you next time and have a happy Valentine's Day.